Hello and welcome to the best online resource for learning Python. My name is Ken McCarsell and I'm one of the instructors for the Foundations of Python. I'm a scientist, inventor, and Fortune 50 data science lead. In this course, The Foundations of Python, you will be learning the key fundamentals of how to read and write basic Python. This includes a variety of topics, including learning all basic data types, dictionaries and lists, control flow statements, functions, and object-oriented programming. From there, you'll learn how to apply these concepts into solving essential fundamentals programming problems.
Upon finishing this course, you'll receive a Yellow Belt certification that you can use to successfully market your skill set to potential employers. Here at the Python Academy, we certify your progress in Python. And unlike other coding boot camps, our certifications are recognized throughout Fortune 500 companies. We maintain high academic standards, and we hold our students to those standards. We employ a 4-belt system, ranging from the beginner Yellow Belt, in which you learn to read and write basic Python, to the most advanced Black Belt system, in which your skill sets will be in the top demand in the job market for the top 5% of job employers. You'll be able to learn things such as machine learning, data mining, automation, and video game development. We use this system because it works. The belt system will serve as a useful benchmark throughout your career in coding, and once a belt is achieved, your skills will get the recognition and the respect that they deserve. Python is one of the most in-demand programming languages in the world. In the last 5 years, demand for Python skills have grown over 20% in companies such as Amazon, Google, and Bank of America. The entry-level salary for a Python programmer is over $70,000 per year, making it the second best paid programming language and one of the easiest to learn. We understand the difficulties that you might be facing, particularly as our nation faces economic uncertainty caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. We automatically offer a 10% discount to both veterans and those currently unemployed due to COVID-19. We also offer a variety of payment plans that work best for you. Options include weekly installment plans as low as $300 per week, or income sharing agreements in which you pay a minimal $200 deposit and you only repay tuition once you land a job earning greater than $40,000 per year. So reach out to a student advisor for more information today.